Tracking workflow progress in Process.st is simple and essential for staying on top of tasks and ensuring everything runs smoothly. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to track your progress step by step, making sure you never lose sight of your workflow goals. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to monitor your workflows and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. The first step is to create your workflow in Process.st. Whether it's onboarding, project management, or standard operating procedures, each workflow will contain specific tasks that need to be completed. Once you have your workflow set up, Process.st provides multiple ways to track its progress. To track workflow progress, you'll need to use the checklist feature within your workflow. As you go through each task, you can tick off individual steps as they're completed. This helps you visually track how far along you are in a process and gives a clear overview of what's done and what's left. For a deeper look at the overall workflow progress, Process.st provides a progress bar at the top of each checklist. This bar automatically updates based on the number of tasks completed within a workflow, giving you an immediate visual cue on how far along you are. It's a simple but effective tool to keep track of progress in real time. Another handy feature for tracking workflow progress is the ability to assign tasks to specific team members. When you assign a task to a person, you'll see who's responsible for what, which helps avoid confusion and ensures accountability. Plus, you'll be able to monitor who's completing tasks and if there are any delays. In Process.st, you also have the option to create recurring workflows. This is perfect for repetitive tasks like monthly reports or weekly meetings. Tracking progress on recurring workflows is straightforward because it keeps all your past records in one place. You can check past completed workflows to see patterns and make improvements where necessary. For more detailed tracking, Process.st offers custom fields and integrations with tools like Zapier, so you can automatically update statuses or track progress across other platforms. For example, you could set up an integration that automatically updates your progress on external systems when a task is completed in Process.st, keeping your entire team in the loop. Process.st's reporting feature also allows you to generate detailed reports on workflow progress. These reports can show completion rates, task duration, and team performance, giving you insights into where you can optimize your workflows. This is a fantastic feature for managers who want a more data-driven approach to workflow tracking. You can also automate reminders in Process.st to ensure tasks are being completed on time. Setting up reminders ensures you never miss an important deadline, and it helps your team stay on track. Reminders can be customized based on task due dates, which makes it super flexible for any kind of workflow. Now, if you're new to Process.st, here's something that's going to make your life even easier. You can try the software for free with an exclusive extended trial using the first link in the description below. This is an awesome opportunity to test out all the workflow tracking features without any commitments or hidden fees. As we wrap up, remember that Process.st is all about simplifying your workflow tracking. Whether you're managing a team or handling your own processes, this tool provides easy-to-use features that help you stay organized and on track. Be sure to check out the free trial through the link below and start mastering workflow tracking today.